Hello viewers! Today, we are covering the 5 best motocross knee braces on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started! Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Scoyco Armor Knee Protectors. Scoyco Armor Knee Protectors open our motocross knee braces review list. The pair is designed to offer you knee protection when motocross racing and comes at a decent price. It's the perfect pair for anyone looking for entry-level protection. The knee braces are designed using high quality, with the main shell made using polypropylene that offers your knee tibia anterior significant protection, and an intermediate shell made from high-impact, crash-proof polycarbonate material for maximum shock resistance. The braces also feel pretty comfortable when you wear them. They feature a triple mobile design at the joint that allows up to 30 to 180 degrees of motion to enable you to move your legs freely and comfortably. On the side, you'll discover metal mesh. This is designed to be durable while offering maximum breathability as you involve yourself in the high-intensive motocross sport. Because these braces come with adjustable elastic straps, wearing them is as easy as ABC. Also, you can easily adjust them according to your needs to get the perfect fit for your unique leg size and shape. Highlighted features: high-impact, crash-proof polycarbonate shell. High-quality polypropylene main shell for maximum protection. Triple mobile design joint designed for free movement. Lightly padded for extra comfort. Adjustable elastic strap. Metal mesh on the side for breathability. Number 2. Our second best pick is Leatt Black Knee Guard. Motocross as a rough sport will involve occasional falling and possibly injuring your knee. But if you put on these Leatt knee braces, you can fall many times with confidence knowing that you're fully protected from possible injuries again and again. With these braces on, you'll also enjoy all-around protection or simply lots of protection. They cover all around your knee to ensure no part is left exposed to suffer the punishment of the rough terrains. Keep in mind that these guards are made using high-density polyethylene material, which translates to quality and long-lasting protection. They also feature fully washable foam, which makes you feel comfortable when wearing the guards. These guards are highly adjustable to enable you to securely fit them and make them stay on for as long as you want. The better the fitment, the better the protection the knee braces deliver. Moreover, these guards offer you an optional fit for both the right and left sides to ensure an even better fit. Highlighted features: high-density polyethylene construction. Features washable Leatt foam. Strap system resists binding. Offers optional fit for both right/left sides. Number 3. Our third best pick is Acerbis Impact Evo Knee Guards. Forget about the cheap junks that come in the name of knee protectors but do very little to protect your knees from injuries. These knee and shin guards from Acerbis are the real deal for all motocross and off-road racers who want the ultimate protection. The pair feels incredibly comfortable and lightweight, and its range of motion and hinge articulation feels pretty smooth and transparent when you're riding your MX motorcycle. As a high-end knee guard, these Acerbis are made using quality materials. This enables them to take a lot of punishment that comes with off-road use while lasting longer than the low-quality models. The guards have one size fits most designs, so they'll easily fit most leg shapes and sizes. They feature elastic straps that you can use to adjust the tightness to ensure you get a more secure fit. The fully removable and washable padding makes you feel comfortable when wearing them. Not to forget, they also feature polyurethane foam with air vents to allow for maximum air circulation. Highlighted features: one size fits most knee guards. Removable and washable padding. 2. Articulation points for increased security, durability. Polyurethane foam has air vents for max air circulation. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Fox Racing Titan Pro Knee Guard. These come dedicated to keeping your knees from harm's way at a budget. One of the features that separate them from the pack revolves around their locking mechanism. That is, they feature a one-time adjustable posy lock system that ensures they stay in place. Once you adjust the Velcro to fit your unique leg size, the rest of the fittings will be a simple strap and go without needing to readjust all over again. Comfort also reigns when it comes to this pair of Fox knee guards. They present you with a soft vented biofoam chassis that allows free airflow to keep you cool and comfortable. Not to forget, these knee protectors come in an asymmetric left-right design. This assures you of optimum fit that translates to maximum comfort and protection during off-road motorcycle riding. Highlighted features: asymmetric left-right design for excellent fit, a one-time adjustable strap system, soft ventilated biofoam for max ventilation, 3-piece hinge kneecap. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Pod K4 2.0 knee braces. These knee braces boast of Pod's new patent technology and are clinically proven to prevent leg or knee injuries such as ACL, MCL, LCL, PCL, rotary, and even combined instabilities. The new Pod technology used in these braces not only deliver the ultimate knee injury protection but also offer you unpatrolled comfort, performance, and reliability. They feature a new human motion hinge that gives you progressive and multidirectional motion control. The braces also come fitted with adaptive cuffs that easily conform to your unique leg shape while adapting to your muscle movement for the perfect fit. We also can't fail to mention the luxurious interior that comes with these braces. This comes in the form of antimicrobial frame liners that not only promote comfort but also reduce odors and capture the interior clips and straps to anchor the brace to your leg. With the quick lock clip system, anchoring the brace to your leg becomes easier and quicker than ever before. Highlighted features: impact modified lightweight frames. Pod patented technology prevents knee injuries. Quick lock clip system for easy, fast fitting. Adaptive cuffs conform to your leg shape. Antimicrobial frame liners. Extremely lightweight, 500 gram each. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.